Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Instagram messages not sending. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So to fix the problem, all you have to need, open your device settings and search for app management. Once you get it, tap on app management and tap on Instagram. Tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Tap on clear and now open your Instagram app and re-log into your Instagram account and open the chat where you want to send messages and simply type message and tap on send, and here you can see the message has been sent. So that's how you can fix Instagram messages not sending. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.